Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another Monday. I'm back at Aldi and thankfully I have a small list this week because we have lots of Easter leftovers. We hosted yesterday. People left their leftovers. I have leftovers of things I made. That means I'm going to use a lot of what I have on hand to make meals. So let's get into the store. I'm going to share with you my meal plan at the end and any recipes I use will be linked below. But let's see what we get today. Right when I walk in, I see this pretty dining room table for the patio. Or a dining table. It's already marked down. I don't remember seeing these, so I don't know if I missed them or if we got like a late shipment, but they're $99.99 now, but they're really pretty. We also have these pergolas. Again, I don't remember us having them already, and they're marked down to $2.49. Okay, one thing I am gonna get is cashews. Wait, I want the salted. We just like to have nuts on hand to snack on or add to like Asian dishes. We like to sprinkle with nuts. $11.99. If your store still has these, they were so good. I love them. I'm not getting more, but I did love them. Okay, I need pitas for pita hummus lunches for my daughter. This will last 2 weeks. $2.99. Okay, I need more salsa con queso. My son wants this still for his lunch. It's like a homemade Lunchable, and he really liked it. $1.99. Okay, I'm gonna get more tortilla chips. I think we have enough on hand, but just in case, I don't want to run out for his lunches. $1.95. Per my husband's request, I'm making chicken noodle soup, and we're actually gonna have it 2 nights for dinner. One night we'll have rolls that I have in the freezer, but then the other night we will use this baguette with it. $1.79. And then I'm not buying more ciabatta rolls because I have some in the freezer, but I'm making caprese sandwiches. My daughter saw them at Panera and wanted to get them, so I'm using these ciabatta rolls for caprese sandwiches. I'm gonna get a couple mangoes. We just like to have these with meals. 69 cents a piece is a good deal, so I'm gonna get 3 of them. And I'm gonna get mandarins, $2.69, pretty good price for those. We have so many vegetables left over from Easter, but I need Brussels sprouts for a side for a meal, $2.89. I'm getting leaf spinach to add to the caprese sandwiches. I know it's not traditional, but I think it'll be an easy addition. And then we'll just use them for salad. $1.49. $2.65 for a gallon of 2% milk. Just buy one of these a week. My vegetarian loves black beans instead of meat, and I am running low, so I'm gonna get 4 cans of black beans, 77 cents a piece. I need beef steak tomatoes for the caprese sandwiches. I'm gonna get these two, $1.89. I need mini bagged avocados, $2.79 for these. I'm gonna get this glaze with balsamic vinegar for the caprese sandwiches. I'm pretty tempted to get strawberry. I just feel like maybe more of my family will like this one. $1.95 for chips. We'll have these as a side among leftovers for the caprese sandwiches. $1.19 each for 3 of my husband's favorite 5-hour energy dupes. Juice boxes for my kids' lunches, $3.18. This is their collective favorite among all of the options. They like this the best for both of them. Aldi, if you're watching, this is my plea. Make an Aldi version of Fruity Pebbles. I think this is so nice. You could take this traveling. They do advertise it as being portable, but you plug it in to one hole or one outlet, and you get 2 outlets and USBs. That's really nice. $17.99, and look, it turns. It's really nice. All the Easter stuff is on clearance, of course. They have these rugs, salad bowls. Those are really pretty. Different spring containers, reusable straws, snack bags, mesh bags, eco-friendly plushes made of recycled material. Lots of things, garden boots, flats, underwear, compost. Lots of things that we see throughout the years. My son used to like these green toys. Okay, this is interesting. I know these were not here last week and they're on clearance already. We have these from Aldi last year. They work really well. So a lot of the Easter basket toy stuff is not on clearance, but the candies are. I did really like these. I'm gonna get one. They're half off, $1.49. And I'm gonna get a box of truffles half off, $1.99. Okay, so I need some aluminum foil. This is $3.69. And then I need gallon bags. They're on sale for $2.19. We have a lot of sale prices going on here, and I'm not quite sure why, but this works perfect. I love this jasmine rice. I buy it regularly. We just ran out, $5.45 for 5 pounds. I know my kids will not like chicken noodle soup 2 nights in a row, so I'm getting penne so they can have plain noodles if they don't want the soup, 98 cents. 2 things of chicken broth for the chicken noodle soup, $1.29 a piece. We are running low on butter, $3.18. I'm gonna get 2 of them. Everything seems to be on sale, and I don't know why. I wonder if Aldi is just lowering their prices, which would be nice. I would really appreciate that, Aldi. One thing I was kind of disappointed, sometimes after holidays, oh wait a minute, they have a lot of red sticker chicken. And I was hoping for it on the breasts. So there's no red sticker breasts, but this is your sign. After holidays, I find more red stickers. But this is the first I've seen it, but I don't buy thighs. Okay, another decrease, $4.19 for Donut Store Blend. Love this coffee. Okay, you guys know I don't eat fish, but a lot of the fish has red stickers too. So a lot of you guys were upset or questioning why we don't eat ham. I simply don't really love ham. So if I'm hosting, no one really cares. No one loves ham enough to be upset, so I did not get any or make ham. The shredded chicken is something we've been doing for years, and we all really like it. Huh, that seems like something my kids might like, but I don't know. Just 4 cheese fettuccine or pasta and pesto. Different calamari. There's chickenless fries. Different pizzas down here. Okay, so this is the type of Lunchable I'm mimicking. Salsa, chips, and the cheese sauce. But these are $2.86 a piece and so small. Okay, the mozzarella cheese logs. I'm actually going to get 2 of them just to make sure we have enough. $3.29 a piece, and they're pre-sliced, so that works really well for me. And my husband's favorite for the taco cups, this I call it pico, but the medium salsa. It's really nice and chunky. Very good. $2.49. Okay, so one thing they didn't mark down is my water. But I'm going to get, I see 3 of them. So I'm going to grab all 3 of my plain waters, 89 cents. And then I'm also going to get a lemon lime one for 89 cents. I only drink these in my eating window, not while I'm fasting though. Oh, this is really interesting to me. 40% cauliflower. So, cauliflower gnocchi. Breadcrumb panko. I'm in the Aldi Finds food aisle. Nothing super interesting yet. They still have lots of these. Now, why don't they have this many of the peanut butter cookies that my husband really, really loved? Oh, some of their spring desserts left over, but not on sale. Molten lava cakes. Those pretzels my family would love. Okay, look at these guys. On sale for $1.59. I'm gonna get these for dinner and put the Aldi chips back. But I'm gonna get 2 bags of those because I've been wanting to try these. Cheaper wins. There are no prices, but they have lots of leftover Easter flowers. So if you're interested in flowers, today might be a day to stock up. Oh, they sell the hammock chair, lots of signs, different rugs. And I thought these are super cute. Cushion covers. 2-sided. Okay, here is my cart. Any guesses on the total? Okay, the total for everything today was $96.14. Only 3 bags, but I got some good stuff. And I do have a Walmart pickup for things like fresh basil and lo mein noodles, things I can't get at Aldi, but pretty set for the week and feel good about the cost. So let's go home and see my recipes and meal plan for the week. Okay, so on the meal plan this week, we have caprese sandwiches. Basically, it's basil, tomato, balsamic glaze, mozzarella, and pesto, whatever you want to put on the ciabatta rolls. I have those chips that I got in clearance. I'm very excited to try those and that they were half off. And then we have leftover things like fruit salad, cut vegetables, and cheesy potatoes left over from our Easter yesterday, so we'll have all of that out. I also have lots of leftover shredded chicken, so we're going to have chicken noodle soup. 2 nights, I make a big pot. It goes well, and then we have either baguette or homemade rolls. I'll do one each night. We're going to have beef tips and mashed potatoes. This is on the meal plan from last week, but I forgot about Easter, so it moved to this week. We're going to have taco cups. My husband bought these on Amazon. He found like a good deal for them, and he thought they looked interesting, so we'll have that for dinner one night this week, maybe with rice. We're going to have carry-out pizza and salads. We do that once a week now. And then I'm also going to make a veggie-loaded lo mein. I had to get quite a bit of stuff like the lo mein and the mini carrots for this at Walmart. But I also am using a lot of the fresh vegetables that we have left over because they're already kind of diced. It'll be easy to make a lo mein with it. And I have a nice variety. So this is our meal plan for the week. If I use a recipe, it's linked below. If you want to see how I make taco meat in bulk and freeze it so that it's easy for taco dinners, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.